Hey guys! Hey. Welcome back to the channel. It's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're doing a fall-inspired makeup look.
'Tis the season. I think I like Thanksgiving for the food, Christmas for the presents, fall for the weather.
I mean, Christmas, so stressful to me. Like,
No.
People are just crazy. Like, they're just out there just wilding. And I'm just like, I'm just trying to drive home on a Tuesday, man. Like, Christmas is days and days and days and days away. So, like, after Thanksgiving, it's just kind of like, but up to Thanksgiving, I'm like,
You're
okay,
good.
I have to make a huge meal, and I'm relatively fine.
So, for this video, we are doing a fall-inspired look, and what palette are you using?
I'm going to be using the ColourPop Orange You Glad palette, because, you know.
Yeah,
orange.
Why not? And I'll be using the Morphe and JACLYN Hill. This is the Ring the Alarm palette, which is also a very orangey palette, but also on like the plum side as well. All right, so we're gonna jump into this fall look for the season and hope you enjoy.
My eyes, because I forgot.
So I just used concealer and I set that with setting powder as my primer for today. All right, so the first shade using the Morphe E28 brush is Alert. I'm gonna put this in my crease. Nothing like Too Faced Extra Special. True,
because surprisingly enough, it was extra good. I'm gonna take the Morphe M412 and I'm gonna jump into Sunkissed. It's actually a really pretty palette for being orange. You know how I feel about orange.
So I'm going in with the Sigma E40 brush and I'm going to use Framed.
Okay, we're gonna take the Sephora Pro 14 and jump in with Squeeze Me, which is a metallic shimmer shade, versus Sunkissed was a matte. Every time I look at this palette, it just makes me want an actual Sunkissed, like the drink.
I haven't had one of those in years.
Not a Fanta orange, because they're not the same. Sunkissed specifically. You want something tangy orange in your mouth? That's it.
When you say it like that. And then I'm going back in with the Morphe E24 brush and I'm using Rush. Okay, and then going in with the Sephora Pro Shadow number 14, I am going to pick up more of Framed and put that just on my lid.
Mimosa Mami is gonna go on the lid. I'm gonna use the same brush. This is the most pungent orange in the palette. What's your favorite fall activity?
Waking up early, so maybe around 6 a.m.-ish. Making a cup of tea and just sitting outside. I just love the feel of like, it's so cold that a cup of tea just warms you up. Like that. And that's like before the bugs come out.
My favorite thing to do is essentially that, but with coffee and like in the early afternoon, like at 1 or 2 o'clock, right? Either before the time is about to change, so it's starting to kind of go down with the sun, or even after, because then you only have like literally 30 more minutes of like sunlight left.
Yeah.
Good sunlight anyways, before it starts to kind of go below the horizon. For us.
And then we're gonna go in with Lolli.
I'm gonna take Your Peel Me, which is the darkest matte, same Sephora Pro 14, and we're just gonna apply that into the outer corner.
And then Tarte Big Ego Mascara. And then for lashes today, we're using the Spooky Babe Cosmetic lashes, and these are in Witchy Vibes. Check below for discount codes.
Saves you 15%. I'm gonna take my last shade of the palette, which is the Clementine Pressed Glitter on a Morphe E38. We're gonna try to do like a line of glitter.
Does it work well with the brush?
Like, it's okay. I'm not going for like a super precise line because again, it's glitter. But like, it's hard to pick it up, get it to the eye, and press it. But
you work with it.
We're just working very slowly. There's no
rush. With what you got.
I'm gonna use a cream gel liner, also from ColourPop. This is in the shade Puppy. It's a vibrant ass orange for lower lash line.
And then for Leah, we're going to go in with Sad Girl, and this is a liquid lipstick from ABH.
Gonna prep for lashes with this TRESTIQUE Good Vibes mascara. While that's drying, I'm gonna get my lashes out, and these are gonna be the Tatti X Mitchell. And then I'll go ahead and jump onto lip. This is going to be Black Cherry from BELLEGANT. It's actually a pretty similar tone to what Chip is wearing. It's not as like purpley berry colored though. It's more like oxblood.
All right, so here we are. Here is the fall inspired look. Glitter is cute. I like that ad. Took time, but I like it.
Sorry.
No, I'm just like, I think it was a good thing to add.
I like yours though. It looks very nice, soft, subtle.
Very soft, yes. The blending was there. It's like, I'll blend away, but I like it. Like glitter, adding glitter as a liner takes time, but I think it just like amplifies any look. So if you have the time, I say do it.
Take the time.
Yeah, it's a cute ad.
I need to use more of my glitters. So many glitters. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and jump into close-ups and we appreciate you watching our video today. I hope that it gave you some fall inspiration. If you're not already sick of fall, I don't know what it's like where y'all are watching, but you know, for Texas, we get fall for like 2 weeks and then it's gone. Goodbye. It's wet and cold and it's basically Christmas. So we will see you guys on the next one. Please follow us on all our social media. It's all sugarandspice_makeup, and we would love to have you as part of our family on Instagram and on here. So hit that subscribe button before you go. Bye! Bye.